Number one, FOMO makes you put in too much money. This is where a lot of people get caught. SpaceX is exciting. It's a huge name. Everyone knows about it. So when the stock price going up, it's easy to think, should I buy now? Am I gonna miss out? That feeling can get you in trouble. Not because SpaceX is bad, but because hype can make you put in more money than you had planned. You start off thinking, I'll just buy a little bit, and you see everyone online talking about it, then the price moves, then you're suddenly thinking, should I put more in? Maybe I should, and that's the trap. Danger isn't buying SpaceX, but getting caught up in your emotion and letting it decide how much money you put in. Don't go all in just because the company is famous. Only put in an amount that you can handle. If one stock can mess with your sleep, you probably put in too much. Second lesson, a great company can still be a risky stock. We often think, great company, great investment, can't really go wrong with it, right? But not always. Because the price that you pay to get those shares matters. You're not just buying SpaceX, you're buying SpaceX at today's price. And if the price is already really high, the company has a lot to do to live up to it. Let's have a quick look at this chart in here. You see the starting point when it first opened to the public, it's starting at $160. Within an hour, it went up to $171. And after a few hours, it dropped down back to 160. So you can like the company, but just be careful with the stock. The main lesson here is a great company can still be a bad investment if you pay too much for it. Number three, and this is the most important lesson. IPO does not always mean early. A lot of people hear IPO and think, I'm getting in early, but that's not always true. SpaceX has been around for years and years. Before regular people like you and me can buy the stock, a lot of other people had already access to it. Founders, employees, private investors, big institutions. So yes, the stock might be new to the market, but doesn't mean you're early in the whole story. An IPO just means the public can finally buy. It doesn't mean the stock is cheap. The main lesson here is IPO does not mean early. It just means regular people can now buy. So there you go. Those are my top 3 lessons on SpaceX IPO. Let me know down in the comment if you plan to buy SpaceX or if you already bought SpaceX. And if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like and subscribe and check out this video as well. I'll see you there.